My name's Arafa Ahmed. This is the app that we've created for 321Com, Rapid Application Development, and the app is called Coventry Campus, which is just here on the bottom left of my screen. I'm going to press it now. Right, as you can see, it's an app where it shows you where you can find your building in the Coventry campus, and not just the building as well, a specific room in the building too that you can also book, which I'm going to demonstrate to you now. Now, on the top right of the screen, there's a GPS target. If I press that, it takes me to where I am, which is just here on the blue dot there. As you can see, it's showing that I'm just outside of the student centre, which is just on the left of me. Now, I am also outside of the EC building, and I'm going to use the EC building as an example as to what you can do on the app. Now, I can also navigate there via walking, cycling, driving, all public transport. So for now, we'll just go to walking. As I've pressed it, it's giving me directions of how to get to the building in itself, which is great. So I'll just follow these, which is all working with Google Maps in real time. Also, if I wanted to, if I press the eye on the top right of the screen after clicking onto the building, it gives me something called the room view, which allows me to see what rooms are in the building. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see that there's a bar which you can scroll across. If I move that bar to the right, you can see the different floors that it goes through. For example, floor 1 to from 0 to the floors. Now, each floor has their own rooms that I can book. So for example, I'm on floor 1, I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to book EC103. So if I press onto that and I press the book on the top right of the screen, this takes me to the booking system. Now, I can choose the date that I want to book it, for example here. So I'll press OK, 21st. The time that I want to book it, which is, let's just say 6 in the morning. At the moment, there's unavailable space. Now, the only reason why this is because our collaboration group, which is Team Hard Workers, they haven't fully finished their bit of the booking system due to unforeseen circumstances. After this is done, I can then just press book room and it will take me further. Now, going back, I can go back and also just show you an example of other things that work on here. For example, the maps and the systems on maps. So I'm showing you now by walking. I can also go driving, and it gives me a map of how to get to driving and directions on the left side of the screen. The app at the moment, it is a prototype. We do only have floor views specifically on the EC building. If I zoom into here, you can see directions of how to get me to the building via driving. But I'm at the moment, I'm not in a car, I am walking. But also I can do it via walking. I can also search the room. I press the magnifying glass at the top right of the screen. And if I'm looking for student centre, I type in student centre. Actually, no, we'll do the hub. I press the hub and then search. I've got it here. If I press that and then press the locations button on the top there, it takes me to the screen here. And I can also press the transport of how to get there as well. This is the app called Coventry Campus. I hope you've enjoyed my little tutorial of how the app works. Thank you.